Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun Dollar Tree haul for you today. One of my favorite kinds of videos. I hit the jackpot this time. I went to the Dollar Tree. This is from last week and I went 2 separate times. So I went to 2 of my favorite local shops and I mean they had a ton of new stuff. I can't wait to share it with you. I'm going to start with one of my favorite items to pick up at the Dollar Tree, and I get them whenever they put out new patterns. I get like these little reusable tote bags. They're great when you go to the grocery store. They're great for travel, and they had new patterns. These were so cute. They had this Toy Story one that I am loving. I guess they have this out for the release of Toy Story 4. It's one of my daughter's favorite movies right now, so I definitely picked that up, and this one is just so adorable. Look at this. It's Aladdin. Again, the new Aladdin movie is coming out, so I guess that's why they put it out. But I just love how like throwback it looks. Doesn't it look so perfectly 90s to you? And I'm a child of the 90s, so I absolutely loved that. Like I said, really great for travel. That's what I'm going to use it for. A lot of different uses. I hauled a couple weeks ago some fun flip-flops, and I found a new pattern. I absolutely love this. I love when Dollar Tree does these kind of classic patterns and colors. I think it looks so much more expensive than what it is. A lot, I think it looks closer to an Old Navy flip-flop, doesn't it? And for $1, you can't beat it. Throw these by the front door. In the summer, you always need a pair of flip-flops. They've been coming out with such great patterns for summer. I got, on the subject of summer, I got my daughter this little cup. How cute is this? It's a little ice cream. When she saw it in the shop, she freaked out. It's super sweet. I love the straw. This will be great for her. I want to see if it's BPA free. It doesn't say. Let me know in the comments if you know. So it says hand wash only. Don't put it in the dishwasher. I always do that with my Dollar Tree cups and I ruin them, but super cute. And they had a lot of fun colors. I picked up the white. It was so classic, but they had like pink and purple. Really cute. This would be so great if you wanted to take some fun Instagram photos. Get a group of girls. Everybody gets one. Really fun. I got a piece of wall art, and I've said this before in Dollar Tree hauls. I try not to get too much like home decor stuff at Dollar Tree because they're always putting out new stuff, and if you buy all of it, you're gonna have so much clutter. But this was just so adorable. They've been doing really great with their wall decor lately. So it says follow your dreams, and it's got this pretty like marble pattern, and it's in gold foil. It's a really nice size and it's an interesting shape. They had a couple of different sayings. I'm trying to remember some of the other ones. It's escaping me right now, but this was my favorite. This is going to go on my gallery wall in my office. Love that. And it looks so much more expensive than $1, doesn't it? It's like, I think it's like that MDF stuff, but it's, can you hear that? It's really solid. Very nice. And it's got one of those like tooth hangers on the back. These are adorable. I got these totes. So tell me if you've seen these before, because like I hauled those plasticky totes in the beginning, right? But I've never seen fabric totes at Dollar Tree. They had some amazing ones. Look at this. It's like a canvas, like a linen fabric. And it's got Mighty Mouse. They had a whole series of these. I found this in the aisle where they have socks. So I love, the Mighty Mouse was my favorite one. But they had a bunch of like classic cartoons. They had Popeye and Olive Oyl. Really cute. And it's a pretty nice size for $1. I thought this was really nice. And then I got a Ghostbusters one. It's because I thought that was so cool. How fun is this? This would be a great tote bag for like Halloween time. Or like a trick-or-treat bag, wouldn't it? They're really nice. I'm going to use this for flea marketing. I go to flea markets a lot. I mention that all the time on these videos. But I don't like to take a purse when I go to flea markets. I like to take a tote. And I think this will be perfect for that. I mean, it looks like something you would buy at a flea market. Let me know if you've seen these guys, because that was totally new to me. I picked up some more graduation stuff. I did a graduation Dollar Tree haul a week ago. I'll link that down below if you want to see it, because I found a ton of awesome graduation stuff. And this is going up on Monday. On Wednesday of this week, I'm doing a video all about putting together a graduation gift basket. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see that. It's going to be really cute. But I found a few more things to add to it that weren't in the grad haul from a little while ago. This is so cute. It's a little tumbler. Can you see that? It says the tassel was worth the hassle. Last week I hauled a mug with this same phrase on it, and you guys loved it. And I think this drinking glass is so cute. That's so perfect for like a college student. And then I got this little like box. This is so cute. You're not going to be able to tell what it is from this, but this is the packaging, and they're calling it a graduation cap card box. So basically what it is, it's all the pieces to build like a cap, a graduation cap, and it's like a box that you can put stuff in, and I pulled it apart already and looked at it. It's super, super cute. I'm not going to show you guys what it looks like because I'm going to do that in the video on Wednesday. So again, if you're into the graduation stuff, if you've got to graduate, you need to make something for, hit the subscribe button. That'll be up on Wednesday. Really excited to put that one together. In the last few weeks, in the last few Dollar Tree hauls, I've been sharing a lot of sun hats, and it's beginning to be a problem because Dollar Tree is putting out such cute hats, but this one, I couldn't leave it behind. This is by far my favorite hat I've ever bought at Dollar Tree. You guys are gonna die. Look at how adorable this is. There's a straw hat, and it's got these little pom-poms. How sweet is that? And it's got this little like white and black braided detail. I think it's so sweet. This is an adult size hat. So I'm gonna, okay, so it fits me. I have a very large head. I'm not just saying that to bash myself. I just do. I have a large head. But this fits me. I think the brim is a little too short for me. But I actually bought this for my daughter, who also has an above average size head. So this will actually work for her. It'll be a little large, but she can wear it. But I thought this was so, so cute. I hope you guys pick this up if you find it. I think it's great for $1. That is a perfect summer hat for $1. This was another amazing find. This is a great craft item. I have never seen this at the Dollar Tree. So they're calling this fettuccine. I don't know why, but it's like, it's fabric cording basically. This is, I'll pull it apart a little bit. It's basically like, have you ever made that stuff when you've got strips of t-shirt and you pull it really taut and it curls up at the sides? That's what it is. You get so much of this, and I picked this pattern because it's the one I liked, but they had, I want to say, like at least 5 different patterns, a lot of colors. I want to see if it tells you how much you got. 55 yards. That is a lot. That's like over 150 feet. That's a great craft item for $1. Somebody must have had this at Michael's and they had an excess and Dollar Tree bought it up. Really perfect. So we're doing a lot of travel this summer. We're actually going out of town in a week, I think. I don't know. And we're going somewhere with warm weather. I don't have plans to take my daughter swimming, but it's possible. So I wanted some swim diapers, but I didn't want to buy a big giant pack. She outgrows them so fast. But Dollar Tree had this, and I've never seen this before. I've seen them with the little 2-packs of Huggies diapers, but it's a 2-pack of swim diapers. Let me know if you've seen that. I've never noticed that before, but it's her size. It's perfect. It's got Nemo on it, name brand. So this is going to be a lot easier to pack rather than having to pack a big old package. I got another Toy Story item. This was so cute. A little box of Kleenex. I mean, we love having character stuff in our house. If you're going to have tissues anyway, might as well have the Toy Story characters. Love it. Like I said, my daughter really loves Toy Story. I got some fun paper plates. They have got the best tropical stuff right now. And we use paper plates a lot at my house. So whenever I find fun patterns and designs, I pick them up for $1. Why not? And they had all these summery ones. So I got these pineapple plates. Really cute. There's 8 in a pack. I got this seashell. Super pretty. It's got like a little pink tone to it. I don't know if you can tell, but like pink and gold. This would be great if you're having a summer party or barbecue. And then this palm leaf. This is my favorite. That is so sweet. Like I said, 8 in a pack. Really, really cute. As I mentioned, we're going to be traveling, and so I got some little outlet plugs. I've mentioned before in my like traveling with toddler videos, I'll link them below, that I like to travel with these because wherever you're going, if you're staying with family or if you're in a hotel room, it's just always nice to have these in case there's an open outlet somewhere and you want to pop some in. So I mean, for $1, great to travel with these. And then I got my daughter some bows. I love picking her up bows at the Dollar Tree. If you go to like the kids boutiques and whatnot, bows can be really expensive, and I always have a bow on her, so I always have need for bows, but I like spending $1 for them. And these are so fun. Really huge. Really great colors. How pretty are they? I mean, they're massive. Look at this, guys. They're gonna be so cute on her. Really fun summer colors. So that is it. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was. I have a few favorites actually. I think I said this is my favorite a couple times in this video. Give the video a thumbs up so I know to do more Dollar Tree hauls. I love doing them for you guys. And like I said, don't forget, hit that red subscribe button. I've got the graduation video coming up Wednesday, and I didn't mention, but I found a ton of activity books at the Dollar Tree. Stuff that goes beyond just a coloring book, stuff that had the price on it, and you could tell it was a $5 item, an $8 item when it was at Walmart. But Dollar Tree's selling them now, and I bought stacks of this stuff. On Friday, I'm putting up a video that's going to include that stuff. I'm doing another like travel bag, keeping kids occupied on the airplane video. That's going up Friday, so hit that red subscribe button if that sounds interesting to you. I don't want you guys to miss out. I'll see you guys next time.